All right, scholars, we're now going to take a look at, those other types of financials that, quote, ain't GAAP. Cash, tax, regulatory basis, and what are some of the modifications to the report that are required? The most important one, of course, that I've seen most frequently tested on the exam is the cash basis. But we want to make sure you're comfortable with all the material. So let's share some information and review it together. Let's start with a review of special purpose framework, an overview of it. And you can see going horizontally across, we have cash basis, tax basis, regulatory basis that are for general use, contractual basis, and anything else. You'll notice the type of opinion, and then we're going to talk a little bit about a description. Do you add an emphasis of matters paragraph? Do you have an other matters paragraph? The type of opinion? Well, you can have a single opinion on a special purpose framework if it's cash. Same thing again with tax. Same thing again with regulatory. Notice right here with the regulatory basis, general use, a dual opinion on the special purpose framework and GAAP would also be appropriate. When it's contractual, a single opinion on the special purpose framework, and finally, anything else, a single opinion on it. Now, regarding a description of the purpose for which the purpose of the financials are prepared, note the ones that are different. The answer is no for cash, no for tax, yes for regulatory, with general use, yes for contractual, and yes if the financial statements are restricted. How about the emphasis of matters paragraph? It's yes for everything except the general use regulatory. And then how about an other matters paragraph? The answer is no for everything except the regulatory basis, where yes, you have to have one, and yes, for the contractual basis, you must have one. Now, let's take a look specifically at the tax basis one. It's worthy of a little extra time. Note, you'll have a single opinion on the special purpose framework. Note here the description of the purpose for which the special purpose statements are prepared. Doesn't have to be done, but you would need an emphasis of matters paragraph about the preparation in accordance with the special purpose framework, yes, and you would not need an other matters paragraph specifically restricting its use. Well, let's give you an example now by actually showing you that tax basis unmodified opinion. And here it's going to start by saying we have audited the accompanying financial statements of the ABC partnership, which comprise of the statement of notice. We don't call it a balance sheet or a statement of financial position. We use non-GAAP terms. So we're going to call it assets, liabilities, and capital income tax basis, and the related statements of revenue and expenses, income tax basis, and the changes in partner's capital account, income tax basis for the year then ended, and the related notes. We're going to have management's responsibility, and notice there's a small modification to it. It says management is responsible for the preparation and fair presentation of the financial statements in accordance with the basis of accounting for partnership using the income tax basis purpose. So we're emphasizing they use a different basis and they're still responsible. The auditor responsibility paragraph doesn't change. The work we do doesn't change at all. So the next area is not going to change. And we believe our audit evidence that we've obtained is sufficient to express an opinion. So last but not least, we come to the opinion paragraph. And here there is a modification. In our opinion, the financial statements referred to above present fairly in all respects. Notice that terminology, once again, is not GAAP term. Its assets, liabilities, and capital account as of December 31st, and its revenue and expenses, and changes in partner's capital account for the year then ended in accordance with the basis of accounting for partnerships using the income tax method purposes as described in Note X. And then here is that other paragraph that we mentioned that you have to have. So here we're going to have the emphasis of matters paragraph, and there we're going to say, we draw your attention to Note X of the financials which describe the basis of accounting. The financial statements are prepared on a basis of accounting. In this particular case, you'll notice they're prepared on the basis of accounting for the partnership and use the tax purpose, which is a basis of accounting other than accounting principles generally accepted in the United States. Our opinion is not modified with respect to this matter. We would sign it, give our address, and then date the report. Hopefully that helps you understand this, and we're now ready for some more work.